Hello crafters, I am Roseanne Perla, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and paper crafter. I want to welcome you to the Handmade Holiday Hop. I'm excited to be a part of a month-long Christmas card hop where I am sharing a Christmas card using the Christmas Traditions suite and a window sheet layer. I will show you a couple of techniques, but I am keeping this beautiful card to a few easy steps. The Handmade Holiday Hop includes 10 very talented fellow demonstrators getting together and creating Christmas cards for you all month long. You will find all the directions in the description of this video. At the very end, I will also show you a few other projects that I made with the Christmas Traditions suite. I use from the Christmas Traditions this one piece of paper, and I die cut using the dies as part of this suite these flower bouquets for my Christmas card. I use the Gathering Together Embossing Folder for one of the mats. I use this piece of 12 by 12 DSP from Gathering Together. For my sentiment, I use the embossing folder and the die cut piece that cuts out all of these expressions at once. I did just Merry Christmas right here in the corner. I slipped a gold foil piece underneath here once I put it in place. This is a hybrid folder, so it fits snugly onto those words when you emboss it. You do need an embossing machine, and these are all of my gold pieces that I can use for cards and other projects. So I have the pieces of the card that we will be making, and I have a window sheet. This is a window sheet card. I have double-sided tear and tape. I put one piece across the top, and I'm going to line this up. At the bottom, and holding it down so that it's even and perfect. This is the embossed leaf piece, and that is going to go right under the sheet, and I'm going to attach it on top. I put the green glue on the top. I'm leaving an 1/8 of an inch border, so I lined it up on the bottom, and again, I'm going to press down and seal it. This is a way to get your card even. You just don't want to touch the window sheet with any glue on your fingers because it will gum it up. I added the Gathering Together 12 by 12 DSP mat to the top of this card. I added 5 dimensionals to this piece, and the sentiment piece, Merry Christmas, I added 3 dimensionals, and I'm going to attach it. I want to go a little up right there, and I'm going to put it in the center. Now, originally I designed this and I thought I needed more greenery, but I can show you the one I did. I changed it around a lot. I like this a lot better than this one with all of that greenery. I did a lot of die cuts and then just realized it did not need it at all. Choices for sentiments was from Peace on Earth or Pine Tree Trimmings. And I am going to use Peace on Earth, Peace, Love, and Joy, and wishing you peace, love, and joy. Yes. Okay. I'm using red, real red. And I'm going to put peace, love, and joy on here first. Okay. And I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to wipe it off. I don't want to get red on my hands, and then it might spread to the card. Although you always have the oopsie side, which is the other side. Wishing you Okay. So what you can do is grab a scrap piece of cardstock and measure it to fit exactly for, I would do 2. I did 2.5. And I would get a hole punch and go about halfway. I'm eyeballing this. Okay. And this definitely, you would just put glue on the inside, 3 sides, and this definitely would fit all the way in, right there. And you can slide it in and out. You would just put a tiny bit of glue on the sides. You can put it there. You can add a 4 by 5 1/4, 5 1/2 photo on this side. You can add your gift card as well on this side. You can add some decorative paper to it as well that would match, or stamp it. Add another sentiment piece to the back as well. So you can add some different things and different touches to your card. Any card. It can be any seasonal card, any sentiment, birthday, get well, whatever it might be. Christmas. Instead of having a separate gift card, you can always add a gift card to it with a little pocket, just a piece of cardstock. I created a few other items with the Christmas Traditions suite. This was my first card I made, and then I created these cards from this card. I figured out what I thought I needed, and you could see the different changes in that card. I also created a box using the Christmas Traditions DSP, Designer Series paper, and some of the cutouts, and I put a Velcro tab in, even though these boxes currently aren't available, it says. They probably will come back in stock. This is called the book box, and I turned it this way. It fits a lot of things. It will fit a gift card. I used the red, real red ribbon that comes with the suite for Christmas Traditions. I decorated it with the pieces, and I decorated the tab and cut around it. It was very easy to do, and it fits a lot of items. You can fit a little bracelet, some earrings, little trinkets, male gifts, female gifts, sweets, little items, charms. I bet you can think of many things that you could put in this box just for you. You can also make a little, let me see, a card, you know, to go in there. It will fit the gift card, It is 3.5 by 3. So you can make a little card, a 3 by 3 card, say Merry Christmas, or a 3 by 3 gift card that opens up with a note in there for your gift box. And it doesn't get torn apart like gift wrap. So you can actually put it together. You can put cash in there as well. And then I made this beautiful gift tag, again, with the same, this one was with the labels that I showed you earlier, and this one is with the whole die and emboss set. It says peace, love, joy, peace, love, hope, and joy. And here is the beautiful ribbon. And I did the tags on this part. I made this tag myself. I just cut it out, and I used the punch that I have from Stampin' Up! From this past year, the January sale. And the tag is the other stamp set, as I said, and die cuts. And I use Secret C on the back. That isn't black. It's actually Secret C. And for the to and from. And it's a loose tag. So, and I wanted it that way. I hope you enjoyed the projects that I made. In addition, I encourage you to watch all the other crafters linked in the playlist. I will have another video with a different set and a different suite of products later this month. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching.